Yes, so this is the remaining part of a birthday letter. If we are to be India's soldiers, we have to respect India's honor, and that honor is a sacred trust. It is no easy matter to decide what is right and what is not. One little test I shall you ask you to apply whenever you are in doubt. Never do anything in secret or anything that you would wish to hide. For the desire to hide anything means that you are afraid. And fear is a bad thing and unworthy of you. Be brave, and all the rest follows. So, what they are saying in the sense, so here he is speaking to his daughter Indra, that is, so if we are to be India's soldier, we have to respect India. So that is, if they are to be a India soldier, they have to respect to India's honor, and that honor is a sacred trust. So likewise he is telling to his daughter Indra, and he also says that it is no easy matter to decide what is right and what is not right. It's a difficult task, but I can teach you that how to decide what is right and what is wrong whenever you are in doubt. So likewise Nehru is telling to his daughter. So how they are telling, that is through the letter Nehru is speaking to his daughter Indra. Never do anything in secret. So he is telling to his daughter that is, don't do anything in secretly, or don't have a habit to hide anything. For the desire to hide anything means that you are afraid. So that is telling that if you have the desire to hide anything means you are very afraid. Okay, so that is the Nehru who is telling to the daughter Indra that if you want to hide anything in the sense, which means you are afraid, and afraid means fear. So fear is a bad thing, and it is also unworthy of you, so that you should not hide anything. Be brave and follow yours. So likewise Nehru is telling to his daughter, you know that in our great freedom movement under Babuji's leadership, there is no room for secrecy or hiding. We have nothing to hide. We are not afraid what we do or what we say. We work in the sun and in the light. Even so, in our private lives, let us make friends with the sun and work in the light and do nothing secretly. And if you do so, my dear, you will grow up a child of light, unafraid and serene and unruffled whatever may happen. So here he included one of the example, that is about Babuji. He says that so whenever Babuji is in a freedom movement, so the freedom movement which has happened under Babuji's leadership, and there is no secret room for secret, and they know, that is they doesn't hide anything. Okay, so they don't have that is they don't hide anything, and they are not afraid to share anything. So they are very open. They are working in the sunlight, so they are working under the sunlight. So light means it's a truth, no, and there is no reflect the darkness side. Okay, so that is, he says that under the Babuji's movement there is no secrecy and there is no hiding content is there, and they are working under the sunlight. So light means truth. Okay, and there is no private place to hide anything. So they are working under the sunlight, under the sun. And he also telling to his daughter that, my dear, you will grow up like a child of light. So he is telling to his daughter that to grow up like a child of light. Light means truth, and that there is no darkness side. Okay, and you should be very brave, and you should be very strong. I have written a very long letter to you. So again he is speaking to his daughter that he wrote a long letter, and yet there is so much I would like to tell you, but still he has lot of things to share with his daughter. How can a letter contain it? But how can a single letter contain all the content? So that he says goodbye to his daughter, and he says to his daughter that to be a brave soldiers in India's service. So he always appreciate and he always desire his daughter to be a great soldiers in India's service with all my love and good wishes. So he finished his letter and at last he wrote that your loving father Jawaharlal Nehru. And this is the mind map. That is, he sends a letter to his daughter as a birthday gift. So, why Nehru sent a letter to his daughter? That is, on Indra's birthday, he sent a letter to his daughter as a birthday gift. And letters are equally cherished as gift. So, that is we have a habit, no? That is, whenever we don't have money or else we wish to send a letter to our closed one, no? So likewise he is also sent a letter to his daughter and he disliked giving sermons and advices. So that is, he disliked to give advice to his daughter. He just want to having a conversation with his daughter. Believes that truth can be brought out only by talking and discussing. So that is, he disliked to have a secret or hide anything. Two factors make ordinary men and heroes. So, which factors make ordinary men as heroes? That is full faith and love and respect. So, this is the two factors which make ordinary men as heroes. And we had to respect India's honor. So, that is what is India's honor? So, each and everyone, and also he and his daughter, they are respecting India's honor. So what is India's honor? India's honor is a sacred trust. Advises Indra not to do anything in secret or wishing to hide anything. So Nehru advising Indra to avoid the secret or hiding anything. She should stand bold and be brave always. So that is, he is telling to his daughter to be a strong one. This will make her a child of the light and unafraid and calm and peaceful. So that is, he wants his daughter to be a unafraid of daughter. Finally wishes her to grow up into, and finally he wishes her daughter to grow up as a bold girl and as a bold soldier in India's services. I hope you understood well. You just work for the 2 marks. Okay. Thank you.